Guys, sometimes you get a really cool app idea, but the moment you think about coding it, everything suddenly feels way too complicated. You start imagining endless bugs, backend setups, API keys, hosting, authentication, and before you know it, that great idea goes straight into the maybe later folder. I'm going to show you how to use a prompt to create a AI product photo enhancement tool. OnSpace asks if I want the project to be public or private. I leave it private. I turn on the Spaces feature, which is basically OnSpace's own built-in serverless backend. No Supabase setup, no configuration, no extra dashboards. Just turn it on, and you have your entire backend ready. I hit generate, and in just a few moments, OnSpace produces a full project with all files connected and ready to run. Now let's test it. The upload button is already there. Aspect ratio options are ready. The UI looks exactly how I described. Clean, simple, white background, black text. But before I continue, I turn on the runtime scanner. This feature is incredibly useful. It scans every page of your app and checks for issues automatically. At first, I noticed a couple of errors, which is totally normal when building AI-generated code. Let's go deeper. Users need to upload images from their camera or gallery. They need to compress the image to avoid size issues, and then they need to send it to the AI model. So I tell OnSpace, add image upload, compression to 1024 pixels, reduce quality to 50%, and make the output file under 4 megabytes. The system updates the project, adds the logic, and within moments, the app now handles compression perfectly. Next, I add the enhancement feature. This is where OnSpace's AI native capabilities shine. I write a prompt instructing the model to enhance the product photo with bright cinematic lighting, premium clarity, and a luxury look, while removing the whiskey bar theme completely. OnSpace automatically wraps everything inside an edge function with QoRS handling, error logging, secure API keys, and a 60-second timeout. All the backend complexity is taken care of. I just write natural language instructions. Let's test it with a real photo. I upload a plain perfume bottle picture, not a studio shot, just a simple product sitting on a table. The AI processes it, and the result looks like a professional commercial photo. Bright, sharp, and clean. Exactly the style I wanted. No props added, no background changes, just a significantly enhanced version of the original. This is something influencers, brands, and e-commerce sellers can use instantly. I've summarized this AI image enhancement app into a single prompt and added it in the description. You can copy it and generate your own version if you'd like. Next, I add a login feature with email verification. Again, all I do is write the instruction in natural language. Within a minute, OnSpace updates the entire project, adds a login page, connects it to the built-in database, and sends real verification codes to my email. I create an account, verify it, and I'm inside. And here's where the platform shines again. The dashboard tab shows all registered users, stored directly in the OnSpace database. No switching to another service. Everything is under one roof. OnSpace also lets you redesign the entire UI with a single prompt. I tried switching my app to a dark theme. A moment later, the whole interface updates across every page. I try a different style. Same thing. Instant transformation. You can match your brand colors or experiment with new UI directions without rewriting components. And after you making the final touches, you can publish your project and you can add your domain name and your SaaS will be live ready to be used. The link to this platform and the prompt I used are in the description area below. You can copy and paste them into OnSpace to get your own AI product photo enhancement tool. Finally, I want to tell you that you can also create mobile apps. You simply add your prompts just like we did before with the web app, and when everything is ready, you can publish straight to the OnSpace App Store. You don't touch Xcode, you don't touch Google Play Console. You don't deal with certificates, provisioning profiles, or signing keys. You just name your app, upload the logo, and OnSpace handles the rest. In around 10 to 15 minutes, your app goes live. This alone saves hours of setup for people who aren't familiar with mobile publishing pipelines. And that's it, guys. We just went from an idea to a fully working AI product enhancement tool, complete with authentication, database, UI, AI logic, error handling, and publishing, all without writing a single line of code. What I appreciate about OnSpace is that it's more than a tool, it's a full ecosystem. They offer tutorials, documentation, an app store, a built in backend, AI native features, and even 24/7 AI support with human help within one business day. If you've ever had an app idea but didn't know where to start, this platform removes every barrier. You focus on your idea, and OnSpace handles the rest. If you're interested in trying it out, check the link in the description, explore the platform, and start building. I'd love to know what kind of apps you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.